Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 9, Chapter number 5, Quadrilateral. Earlier, we studied tests for parallelogram. Today we are going to study properties of rectangle, rhombus and square. Rectangle, rhombus and square all are parallelograms, hence they shows all the properties of parallelogram. First we will see the properties of rectangle. As we know, all the angles of rectangle are congruent, that is 90 degree. So properties of rectangle will be opposite sides are congruent, opposite angles are congruent, and diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Now next, properties of rhombus. As we know, all the sides of rhombus are congruent. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect the pairs of opposite angles. Now we will move on to properties of square. As we know, all the angles and all the sides of squares are congruent. Diagonals of square are congruent. Diagonals of square are perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonals of square bisect opposite angles. Now we will move on to practice set 5.3. Question number 1. Diagonals of a rectangle ABCD intersect at point O. If AC equal to 8 cm, then find the length of BO, and if angle CAD equal to 35 degree, then find the measure of angle ACB. Now as we know, diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Therefore, AC equal to BD equal to 8 cm. Also, rectangle is a parallelogram, so the diagonals bisect each other. Thus, BO equal to OD equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4 cm. Now AD parallel to CB, therefore angle CAD equal to angle ACB equal to 35 degree, as alternate internal angles are equal. Question number 2. In a rhombus PQRS, if PQ equal to 7.5, then find the length of QR. If angle QPS equal to 75 degree, then find the measure of angle PQR and angle SRQ. Now as we know, all the sides of a rhombus are equal. Therefore PQ equal to QR equal to 7.5 cm. A rhombus is also parallelogram. Therefore, opposite angles of parallelogram, that is rhombus, are congruent. Therefore, angle QPS equal to angle SRQ equal to 75 degree. As we know, adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle QPS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree. After putting values, we will get 75 plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree. Now shift 75 towards the right hand side, we will get angle PQR equal to 105 degree. Question number 3. Diagonals of a square IJKL intersect at point M. Find the measures of angle IMJ, angle JIK and angle LJK. Now as we know, diagonals of square are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Therefore, angle IMJ equal to 90 degree. A square has all the 4 angles as right angles. Also, diagonals of a square bisect the opposite angles. Therefore, angle JIK equal to half of 90, that is 45 degree. Similarly, angle LJK equal to half of 90, that is 45 degree. Question number 4. Diagonals of a rhombus are 20 cm and 21 cm respectively. Then find the side of rhombus and its perimeter. Now, as we know, ABCD is a rhombus, therefore AC equal to 20 centimeter and BD equal to 21 centimeter. Diagonals of rhombus bisect at right angle, that is they are perpendicular bisector of each other. Therefore, AO equal to OC equal to 10 centimeter and BO equal to OD equal to 10.5 centimeter, that is half of 21 centimeter. Now in triangle AOB by Pythagoras theorem, AO square plus OB square equal to AB square. After putting values we will get 10 square plus 10.5 square equal to AB square. After solving we will get 100 plus 110.25 equal to AB square. After solving we will get AB square equal to 210.25. Take square root on both the sides. AB equal to 14.5 centimeter. Therefore each side of rhombus is 14.5 centimeter. Now perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equal to 14.5 plus 14.5 plus 14.5 plus 14.5 equal to 58 centimeter. Question number 5. State with reasons whether the following statements are true or false. First, every parallelogram is a rhombus. False. Every rhombus is a parallelogram but converse is not true. Second, every rhombus is a rectangle. False, as rectangle have all the angles are right angles, but the same is not true in rhombus. Third, every rectangle is a parallelogram. True, as in rectangle opposite pairs of sides are congruent and parallel and diagonals bisect each other. Fourth, every square is a rectangle. True, as all the angles are right angles and diagonals are congruent to each other in both squares and rectangle. Fifth, every square is a rhombus. True, as in both square and rhombus the diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Sixth, every parallelogram is a rectangle. False, as in parallelogram opposite angles are congruent but not right angles. In rectangle all the angles are right angle.